Forcing enemy cooldowns is one of the strongest ways to gain an advantage in Marvel Rivals because cooldowns determine when the enemy can fight, retreat, or survive pressure. When you force key cooldowns early, the enemy becomes vulnerable and easier to punish. The first part of forcing cooldowns is applying steady poke pressure. Even small amounts of damage force supports to heal and tanks to use defensive abilities. This drains their resources before the fight begins. Angle pressure is another effective method. Taking off angles forces the enemy to split attention and reposition, often using mobility abilities to avoid damage. This creates openings for your team. Fake aggression is a powerful technique. Stepping forward briefly can bait the enemy into using cooldowns prematurely. Once they commit, you retreat safely and wait for your team to push. Zoning abilities also force cooldowns. Slows, knockbacks, and area control abilities make the enemy uncomfortable and force them to reposition. Coordinated pressure is the strongest method. When your team pushes together, the enemy must use cooldowns to survive. Forcing cooldowns is about timing and awareness. When mastered, it creates predictable windows your team can exploit.